What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to do a reaction video of one of my friends' channel. I don't really know how to say his name. It's like Zchu37 Fan 510. And the video that we're going to be reacting to is just a little cringy. I mean, it's a little cringy, and it's a trailer of Godzilla Force of Revenge Reveal trailer HD. This is very cool channel. He gets a good amount of views, and so he does like like a oh look, I found a reaction video. He does like these puppets acting, and like I don't know if he does a bunch of if you have voice in it, because I don't watch most of it. I just started to look at his channels and stuff. Anyways, so we're gonna go to his Godzilla Forces Revenge Reveal trailer HD. Okay, so we're gonna watch this now. Sorry if it's a little loud. Wait, what? Oh, I forgot. Okay, sorry. Am I watching the wrong one? Oh, it was this one. It was this one. I meant that we were going to watch this one. This one's kind of loud.
Alright, Steve. If you want to face us, I will end this big war. If you want to end this big war, I could take one chance against you.
I like how you put this video together. Wow. That was a really good video. That was, I mean, like on a scale, I really think that video should get like, I guess like, scale of 1 to 10, I say about a 7 or a 6. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. Anyways, if you wanted to subscribe to him, you seen his channel. Whoa. Why the heck did I just do that? Okay. Anyways, I don't care if you see my name. I'm pretty sure I don't really care. Anyways, hope you like this video. Subscribe and comment. Go subscribe to him too. So, yeah. Peace.